Cheesy baked eggplant with rich tomato sauce, mozzarella, and Parmesan. Simple to make with just a handful of everyday ingredients, this soft and creamy eggplant bake can be served as a main course, a side dish, or a perfect appetizer. Take an eggplant, slice it into slices. Take a big bowl, fill it with water, add 1 teaspoon salt, and place slices of eggplant there for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, chop 2 tomatoes. Taking a baking tray, sprinkle it with olive oil, transfer eggplants. Brush eggplant slices with olive oil. Sprinkle the Italian seasoning. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes at 200 Celsius. You can pan fry the eggplant slices instead if you prefer. Meanwhile, chop mozzarella. Mince 4 garlic cloves. In a medium bowl, mix together spinach, garlic, (200 grams of ricotta), mix well. Remove baked eggplant slices from the oven and place them on a plate. Take a medium baking dish. I have 2 small ones. Place the eggplant slices, spread the spinach mixture, top with tomatoes, season with salt, add mozzarella, pour 100 milliliters of Neapolitan sauce. You can make 2 layers of the recipe on top of the other if you have a deep dish. Grate Parmesan on top for a rich, nutty flavor. Bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes at 200 Celsius or until the cheese is golden brown and the sauce is bubbling up around the edges. Enjoy your cheesy baked eggplant with rich tomato sauce, mozzarella, and Parmesan. Share your experience in the comments below and subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.